everyone, and welcome back to the MadTechTalk. So within this video, I would like to actually share with you new gadgets, which it's actually very simple, but it's helping my life so much. So I'm going to share today a review, an honest review of actually a very simple thing, a 100-watt charger, and why I actually think everyone should have such a device. So the main thing is that my 100-watt charger actually comes with the USB-A and two USB-Cs, which I think it's a pretty cool thing, mainly because those two are actually set for a higher voltage, which is the laptops and tablets. And why is that? Because I can actually charge all my accessories like my phones, my tablets, etc. But I recently did a kind of a step further. So this charger, it's actually a charger from the European brand called Action, and it costed like 22 actually euros. It comes with a USB-C cable, and I think it's a decent price. You can find something similar, I think on Ugreen. I think Ugreen will be a good one for around 35-40 bucks. But the cool thing about it is that obviously you can charge 3 devices at the same time, very fast. But I also did a review of an old tech, and this is a cool thing. So if you have seen, this is the video where I'm actually showing the kind of old Mac which I bought and refurbished and kind of checked if it's worth looking and kind of working for the basic stuff like web browsing or maybe even basic video editing. And I recently found that what I can do is when I connect obviously the USB-C, unfortunately my Mac it doesn't have the USB-C, right? So your new Mac will have it. So the cool thing is that for the newer Macs which are not on the MagSafe, you can directly connect it because most of the Macs are like 65 watts. So you can actually charge your MacBook with that. So you can work on your Mac, charge it, and have it as a charger, which is charging your computer and your phone at the same time. So you don't need those extra chargers, especially when you're traveling. But what I found is that for less than 10 bucks, which is I think I paid $8 for this. So this is an adapter which kind of changes from the USB-C to the MagSafe. And this cool thing allows me now to charge my MacBook Air. And thanks to it, I can charge my MacBook Air, I can charge my phone, charge my tablet all in one while just having a one charger with me. So especially when I'm traveling, this is a very lightweight thing. And this is actually a review of the main charger, but I have an extra kind of bonus for you in this video because some of you have not seen it, but this is actually one of my favorite gadgets, and it's called a Buddy. And I've ordered it actually when I was in Asia, and you can find it still on Amazon, but actually on Temu on some of the sites it's much cheaper than Amazon. By the way, I'm not affiliated with any Action, Buddy or whatever. This is just my honest review of the gadgets I use on a daily basis. And Buddy is actually a small thing, so as you can see, that's how it looks. So I have it always with me somewhere. So as you can see, this finishes at USB-C, right? And Buddy is my kind of like an adapter set. So whatever I want to use, I'm going to use Buddy for. So Buddy actually slides out. And inside Buddy, I should have, because I don't have any more, because I've already put them out. Obviously, I'm totally prepared for that video. So I actually get 3 adapters, which I'm going to bring back the third one in a second, which gives me USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to lighting, which is the kind of a normal setup for, majority of the iPhones because they use lighting. And the third one, which is somewhere, and I'm going to find it in a second, is the micro USB. So you kind of have the 3 basic with you. You also have the SIM card ejector. And I think the cool thing is that you also have, boom, fall out, sorry, the cable. So you can actually have a cable which is USB-C to USB-C. So it's, all in one. Plus, I sometimes keep my micro SD cards here. So you can keep your SD cards here. And this also is the micro SD card reader. So you can connect the USB-C on that side and boom, it will read your card. So it's all in one. Plus, there are 2 slots for so these are the 4 slots for the micro SD, and these are 2 slots for the eSIM. And when you close it, it's very small. And here it's also a phone holder. So you can put your phone here and have it as a stand. And I think that's just decent. This is it, because those two gadgets are actually so nice to use, and especially I believe that having higher wattage of the charger, it's something which, you know, majority of us are using right now, and having just one charger instead of, you know, 3-4 chargers which are taking space and sometimes they're not even safe to use, is just easier. Let me know what you think, and if you like this video, just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on the MadTechTalk, and definitely check my new playlist, which is under $10 and under $100, which are new kind of playlists to snoop around and see cool gadgets which I'm reviewing. Take care!